TikTok. What the future? You thought I was going to say something else. I wouldn't say that. TikTok. What is TikTok? Is it the future? How do you do it? What the heck is it all about? Let's find out. Alright guys, before we jump in, my name is Shelly Hopkins. This is my channel where I talk about passive income, YouTube, online marketing, stuff like that. So if you're into anything like that, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos and you want to be notified, ring the bell. If you get anything out of this particular video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. And if you know a friend that would like it, share it with them. I would greatly appreciate it. And so would the YouTube algorithm. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, now, this is the first time I have used the app that records. By the way, it's my cat in the background. Okay, so we have light. Okay. Let's find out what this whole TikTok is about.
Y'all need to hype me up.
Do that thing with your eyes.
Money, look.
Let me see them lips.
5, 6, 8. Y'all need to hype me up.
Now, you wanted
With your
to
eyes.
add,
Let me see them.
plus. Okay, and you can add one from your phone by hitting the upload button, or you can make your very own. And let's say we wanted to do a 15-second one. It does not take that long, so my hair caught on fire a couple weeks ago and it's standing straight up. Okay, so you hit record. Oh, but first, if you want sound, go up to the sound at the top. We'll just click it, and you can choose. And you would choose the X if you wanted to choose that song. Okay, there's effects. You can tap to edit. You can put like a title on it at the top or the bottom, which I would do the top. They have all kinds of stuff. Pretty. Okay, see that little in the corner, the little red thing? If you click that, it'll say keep. And you hit the record button. This is Shelly. I am doing a TikTok YouTube video about using TikTok. So, hi TikTok! Hey guys! Love you! Mwah! Okay. This is Shelly. I am doing, and then you hit a TikTok YouTube
Either
video.
stickers, effects.
Okay. Then hit next. And on the description, I'll put, there's the dog. We have all the animals in the video. Tick. Tock. Okay. And I try to space while I'm doing this. You know, guys, I'm pretty transparent. I already did a video about this yesterday, and I remembered to hit record on my phone, and I didn't hit record on my computer, so I thought that was kind of funny. Yeah, no, I don't care. I tell y'all. Okay. If you do pound, like for your page, I'll usually do entrepreneur. I'm slightly new at this. You know, we're all kind of learning together. But the key is to do a bunch of hashtags that are different, from like 10,000 to 10 million. So just select, you know, just a bunch of different random tags. And you can look it through my videos. You can go through other people's videos and find different tags that you think, you know, they're different or cool. And depending on what I'm doing, like here's a good example. What day is today? Today is Tuesday. I'll put Tuesday. And then you can do Talk Tuesday. Kind of scroll through. Tuesday challenge. See, there's not as many on the Tuesday challenge, so I'm going to click on that. Then there's a Tuesday with 2 Ys. So I'm going to do Tuesday challenge, and then since I just happened to see it, and I'll do this a bunch, like that just came in my mind. Okay, this one. Okay, there's a lot. This is TikTok. And then I'll do some stuff that's just fun or funny. Because you're just building right now. You're just building up people. I've done the billion. Fun times. Yeah, I don't have any millions in here. Anyways, I'll just let that roll for now. So then you click on, and if you copy this, if you hold all this down, and copy and do done and post, it'll come back up okay, and it'll come back up and it'll pop up to also post it in
I am doing
Instagram,
a TikTok
so
YouTube
I'll
video
do feed
about using TikTok.
next.
So, hi TikTok. Hey guys.
Next.
Love you. Mwah.
Next,
This is Shelly. I am doing
and
a
paste.
TikTok YouTube video
and do
about
okay.
using
But if you want to put it on Facebook as well, then you can
Hi
scroll
TikTok.
down and click on
Hey
Facebook
guys. Love you. Mwah.
and then share. So that way it gets you on Facebook. I mean, well, I can put you on
YouTube
Facebook
video
and put you on.
about using TikTok. So, hi TikTok. Hey guys. Love you. Mwah.
Okay.
This is
And
Shelly. I am doing a TikTok YouTube video about using TikTok. So, hi TikTok. Hey guys. Love
Okay, I
you.
reversed it over.
Mwah.
Okay.
This is Shelly. I am doing a TikTok YouTube video about using TikTok.
Okay. Anyways, so that's how it's done. So I'm not used to recording and recording at the same time. So that is okay. That is pretty much, it's that easy, and it takes, what did it take me, 10 seconds? And I even posted in Instagram too. And I actually never really posted in Instagram that much, and the more I do TikTok, the more I'm actually doing Instagram as well. But it'll also help your business because TikTok is the future. There's like tons of people that's doing TikTok now. And when I first got on here, I was like, oh, this is something else I'm going to have to do because everybody said to do it for your business. And it wasn't fun. And I felt like I had to do it. And then when someone told me, just don't worry about the whole business side, just have fun. So once I started kind of, just who cares what people think? Just getting on there, just having fun, getting my daughter, and we'll dance and do whatever. You know what? I like it. It is so much fun. So I'll do some stuff that's business and just have some that's with my daughter. It's just funny. I'm enjoying watching my friend Jonathan. He has videos, and just the other day, me and my daughter was cracking up because, you know, he does the same thing as what I do, and where he teaches online marketing and how to make money and stuff. And he had like money flying out of his butt or doing something, I don't know, but it was hilarious. I sat on a ball and I fell off my ball laughing. So if anything, you know, use it for your business. Just have fun with it because so many more people are getting on TikTok. Now's the time. Now's the time. You know, I didn't get in when Instagram first started off and everything, and I wish I had of because my Instagram following's not that much. My TikTok's not a whole lot because I just recently started. But that's the good thing too, is all of us have started, and it's fun, and we can help one another, and you learn. I learn stuff all the time. Just the other day, what was it? It was something really cool. I'm like, I didn't know you could do that. And you just go in and it was way to copy something of something. Anyways, so I wanted to do this video to tell you about what TikTok is and tell you that it is the future, and more people, like it's over like a billion people on it or something like that already, and you can get so many people, way more than you can on YouTube. So what I do, and if you have an Instagram account, is I have my YouTube account at the top, and I'll tell people, hey, if you want to learn online marketing, just go to the top, go to my YouTube, and they can go to my YouTube. Or if they just want to learn more about me, it's all on my YouTube, and I just have that at the top. And if you want to do the same thing, or you're really more into Instagram than like I am YouTube, bingo, just create an account. It's easy. Just download the app, create your account, and you're good to go. Okay? So, and hey, if you wanted to follow me, let's have some fun. I'll put it down below the video, and then you can go on and follow me on TikTok too. And if you follow me, I'm definitely going to follow you back, because every day I'll check it and I'm following everyone back. Because it's fun. I will sit there for hours. I won't mean to be there that long, but I'm just watching it. It's really cool. And you can learn a few things. So, TikTok, guys, it is the future. Check it out. It's fun. And do me a favor, if you got anything out of this video, do me a favor and give me a huge thumbs up. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks.